Hi, it's Brittany from Empurrium. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day number 2 of the 13 Days of Christmas for 2024. We're going to make the Lila lip gloss holder from Stitches by Christy. The pattern does include 2 sizes and 2 print options, so you can do directional fabric, non-directional. I did non-directional, but I went over how to use the directional fabric. And then also there is a size for lip balm and a size for lip gloss. So I accidentally made the lip gloss one, but that's fine because I kind of needed a holder for mine. Anyways, I think this would make a great stocking stuffer. I think I'm going to make some and gift them. I'm going to make the lip balm size, so I'll probably grab some more lip balm to gift. Quick and fun. I used the cotton woven I saw on my website. This is my pastel stars print, George. I don't think I needed to interface that because mine is on the thicker side. It isn't quite a canvas, but just know your fabric and make your decision from there. I was able to do it and it is a little bit thicker. I hope you enjoy the 13 days of Christmas and I hope you check out the rest of the videos. I don't go over cutting because it's so straightforward, but we'll sew it up. For the Lila, there are 2 options. You can do a non-directional print, which this is non-directional, or you can do a directional print. The cutting is very straightforward. It is rectangle pieces, but if you're doing directional, this piece is going to be 2, and then you're going to interface these. You don't need to interface the clip connector, and then I've just got a little 1/2 inch swivel. The woven I'm using is a little bit thicker and I did still interface it. I think it might get a little bulky, but I'm using my 1181, so it's fine. I probably could have made this without interfacing this material, but the first thing you're going to do is if you have the directional fabric, you're going to take those 2 pieces and you're going to line them up and sew along this bottom, and then once, pretend there's a seam here, you're going to make a snip in the very center but not through your stitches, so you can butterfly open those seams, lay them in opposite directions, because you're going to end up folding in and stuff and you're going to just want to even the bulk. After you've done that, or if you have a directional print, the next thing you're going to do is fold over these other ends about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to mark a 1/2 inch in, and that just helps me so I know where to fold it down so that it is a 1/4 inch fold. You can also use tape if you don't want to iron, which I'm going to do, and I'll put the tape right down at that line, and it's going to end up out of my seam allowance, which is why I don't mind, because I'm using 1/8 inch tape. If I can put it at the line. All right. So we're going to fold. Well, hang on. Sometimes if you really help press down those edges. All right. So we're just folding to that line. The tape's going to help keep everything in place too. I think I'll be happy I used it for this. Okay, so now we're going to fold to the center, or fold in half this way, and we're making a crease so that we know the center of this piece. And now we're going to open it up and fold into that center crease. I know it may be hard to see the crease, but I'm gonna do that on both sides. All right, I'm gonna clip mine a little just to help it stay in place. All right, both sides folded in. They should almost match up. Let's see, I might need to move the one a touch, maybe. No, they're good. All right, so, and then you're gonna fold it over again. If you've got any little strings hanging out like I do, we're gonna trim those off. All right, so everything should match up nicely. And from here, you need to decide what you want to be your outside and what you'd like to be the inside. I love pink, but I'm thinking the like pink and orange for my outside. And then you're gonna want to decide which you want to be like the front and the back. So if it matters, I'm gonna make mine the front like this. So I'm gonna top stitch just right here. Yeah, mine is, oh, what happened? Hang on, please. Okay, I fixed that. I got a distracting phone call right before I started recording, and I forgot to just put my presser foot back down. So remember, your machine works so much better with the presser foot. Okay, so I think I accidentally cut to the lip gloss size because this is bigger than my lip balm. So keep that in mind. I have some lip gloss in my purse. All right, so you're gonna fold this up with like a inch gap there, and then clip all of this together. Yeah, I think I would not interface this specific fabric. It is pretty thick. Okay, we're gonna set that to the side, and we're going to work on our tab for the clip. We're gonna fold long sides together, open that up, and fold into the center. If you have like an iron handy by you, ironing this will help a little, but I'm just going to carefully fold this in and then stitch down the seam. You can do both sides if you want to, but you don't have to. Then we're gonna put our clip on it. Pay attention to if you want a certain side on the outside. But that is what that looks like. And then you're going to tuck your tab in here. You can leave it up a little, you can push it down more, however you want to do it, to your preference. And then we're going to stitch around these three sides. You can leave the bottom unstitched. I think you could stitch it if you wanted to, but you don't have to because it is already closed. I'm going to do a little back stitch right where those meet. Let's see here. I'll line my needle up exactly where I want it. And then across the top, I'm not going to back stitch because with the connector spaced how it is, you're getting stitches through all of that. And I think it's fine. All right, and then you might need a hump jumper or like a ruler I like to use to get over to this spot. Again, just a little back stitch there. And back stitch at the end. And there you have it. It is done. If you need to, take care of your threads. So cute. Like I said, I'll grab my lip gloss. I'm sure it'll be in the intro. Hopefully the lip gloss I have fits. But here, if you need a rainbow screwdriver holder. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you check out the rest of the 13 Days of Christmas, and happy holidays.